So today I'm going to be reviewing the Vanelk Light Control LED Mosquito Killer, and this is what it looks like when you unbox it. So let's unbox it and see how it is, and then we're going to also test it out. So when you unbox it, it comes like this. It does have an handle that you can use to take it out. So this is what it looks like. It is a plastic container, and inside, of course, you do have the LED zapper. So this is a waterproof 4,200 voltage mosquito zapper, and it's also a fly trap. So if you have flies buzzing in of your house or outside of your house, this is what you can use. It comes with a plug, and you can plug it into the outlet, and it also comes with a cleaning brush. So you have this cleaning brush that you can use to clean out, you know, when the bugs get stuck in it, you just use it to clean it out like this. So I'm going to plug it in outside, and we're going to keep it overnight, and I'll show you what we trap overnight. In addition, it also has a user manual that you can read through to see how to use it, where to use it. It tells you where to use it outside. You can use it in the courtyard, garden, camping, and also it has a 24-hour intelligent light control. So you turn on the switch and the mosquito control lamp will turn off automatically during the day and then turn back on at night. So you don't have to wait for, there's no switch for it to turn on. It's automatically controlled. So turning off the switch turns on the mosquito control lamp for 24 hours. So as you can see, once you plug it in right there, it automatically turns on. So did you guys hear that? It got one. So whenever it catches any insect, it makes a zapping sound, and the insects fall down underneath there. Okay, so it's the next morning. You can see the light is bright day. So we still have the light dimming off, but you can see all the bugs that are stuck in there. So this thing really worked. It zapped all the bugs. You can even see down there, all the bugs down there.